In this video, I'll show you how to install and adjust your microDripReg water pressure reducer. First, locate the adjustment dial on the end of the unit. Use a coin to turn the dial, clockwise to reduce water pressure, counterclockwise to increase water pressure. Since there's no built-in gauge, the adjustment is based on observation. Here's how to set it up. Connect the reducer to your garden faucet. Turn the faucet on slightly. If no water comes out, rotate the dial counterclockwise until you see flow. Then slowly turn the dial clockwise to reduce the flow until the water just stops. From that point, turn the dial back a quarter to half a turn counterclockwise. You should now see a gentle, steady flow of water. This indicates a good operating pressure. Next, attach the tubing adapter to confirm. You'll notice a continuous stream that breaks into drops at the end. This means the microDripReg is properly adjusted. Finally, turn off the faucet, connect your irrigation tubing to the adapter, and you're ready to go.